Welcome back to Eskimos, fellow explorers. Today, we're diving into a collection of remarkable facts that will change the way you think about your own physical makeup. Get ready to explore how your tongue is built like an elephant's trunk and uncover other mind-blowing truths about your body. Let's kick things off with something we often take for granted: hair. It's something we see every day, yet rarely do we stop to think about its remarkable properties and the roles it plays in our lives. Picture a single strand of hair. It might seem fragile and delicate, almost insignificant in the grand scheme of things. Seems delicate, right? But did you know that one strand can support the weight of a small apple? That's right, a single hair strand has the tensile strength to hold up to 100 grams. Now multiply that by the roughly 100,000 hairs on the average human head. Imagine the combined strength of all those strands working together. You're talking about a collective strength capable of holding up something as heavy as a car. It's truly mind-boggling when you think about it. Hair is made of keratin, the same protein that makes up our nails and skin. This protein is incredibly resilient and gives hair its strength and durability. It's incredibly strong for its size and serves a vital purpose, protecting our delicate scalps from the elements. Whether it's shielding us from the sun's harsh rays or providing a barrier against the cold, hair is our natural defense. Hair also plays a role in regulating our body temperature. It helps to keep us warm by trapping a layer of air close to the skin. Each strand is connected to a tiny muscle called the erector pili muscle. These muscles are responsible for the phenomenon we know as goosebumps. When we get cold, these muscles contract, making our hairs stand on end, creating a layer of insulation. This reaction is a vestige from our evolutionary past, when our ancestors had much more body hair. The next time you brush your hair, take a moment to appreciate its incredible strength and versatility. It's not just about aesthetics. Hair is a marvel of natural engineering, playing multiple roles in our daily lives. Throughout history, hair has also held cultural significance. Different hairstyles have symbolized everything from social status to personal identity. In many cultures, hair is a powerful symbol of beauty and strength. Today, we have a plethora of products designed to care for and enhance our hair. From shampoos and conditioners to treatments and styling tools, the options are endless. But at its core, the strength and resilience of hair remain unchanged. So let's celebrate the diversity and strength of hair. Whether curly, straight, thick, or thin, every strand tells a story and contributes to the incredible tapestry of human life. We often think of electricity powering our homes, but what about our bodies? Believe it or not, the human body is a veritable electrical marvel. Our brains generate enough electricity to power a low-wattage light bulb. This electrical energy flows through our nervous system, a complex network of neurons. These neurons transmit electrical signals at incredibly fast speeds, allowing us to perceive the world and react in real time. Every heartbeat, breath, and thought is the result of countless electrical impulses firing throughout our bodies. So the next time you flip on a light switch, remember the incredible electrical symphony playing out inside you. It's a testament to the power and complexity of the human body. Let's talk about an organ that often gets overlooked: the tongue. Despite its small size, it plays a monumental role in our daily lives. We use it to taste, talk, and swallow, but rarely do we appreciate its complexity. The tongue is a versatile organ, essential for many functions that we often take for granted. Did you know your tongue isn't just one muscle, but a complex structure of 8 interwoven muscles? These muscles work together seamlessly to give the tongue its remarkable range of motion. This intricate arrangement gives our tongues incredible flexibility and dexterity. Whether we're eating, speaking, or even making funny faces, the tongue is always hard at work. We can move it up and down, side to side, even curl it into a tube. This ability to move in multiple directions is what makes the tongue so unique. The tongue's impressive range of motion allows it to perform a crucial role in eating. It helps us maneuver food around our mouths, breaking it down for easier digestion. Without the tongue, the simple act of eating would be much more difficult and less enjoyable. Our tongues are covered in thousands of tiny taste buds, each detecting different flavors. These taste buds are responsible for our ability to enjoy a wide variety of tastes, from sweet to salty, bitter to umami. The tongue also plays a vital role in speech, helping us form the sounds that make up words. It's involved in the articulation of consonants and vowels, making clear communication possible. So the next time you savor a meal or engage in conversation, appreciate the humble yet mighty tongue. It's a small organ with a big impact, deserving of our recognition and gratitude. Now, let's turn our attention to the tireless drummer in our chests, the heart. This remarkable organ works around the clock, never taking a break, tirelessly pumping life through our veins. This fist-sized organ pumps blood through a network of blood vessels so vast it could circle the earth twice. Imagine that, a network so extensive it spans over 60,000 miles, delivering vital nutrients and oxygen to every cell in our body. The heart beats an average of 100,000 times a day, pumping about 2,000 gallons of blood. That's enough to fill a small swimming pool. Each beat is a testament to its endurance and strength. It regulates blood flow, ensuring each organ receives the oxygen and nutrients it needs. From the brain to the toes, every part of our body relies on the heart's consistent and precise pumping action. The heart generates its own electrical impulses that control its rhythm. These impulses are like tiny sparks of life, originating from the sinoatrial node, often referred to as the heart's natural pacemaker. These impulses travel through a specialized network, ensuring the heart beats in a coordinated manner. This intricate system ensures that the atria and ventricles contract in perfect harmony, maintaining an efficient blood flow. So the next time you feel your heart beating, appreciate the incredible work it's doing. Each thump is a reminder of the heart's relentless dedication to keeping us alive. It's a true marvel of nature, essential for keeping us alive and kicking. Whether we are resting or running a marathon, the heart adapts to our needs, showcasing its remarkable resilience and adaptability. We all breathe, right? But have you ever noticed that you tend to favor one nostril over the other? This is known as the nasal cycle, controlled by the autonomic nervous system. Alternating between nostrils helps to optimize our sense of smell. Each nostril picks up different scents more readily depending on the airflow. The nasal cycle also regulates the humidity and temperature of the air we breathe. The dominant nostril tends to have a more constricted airway, warming and humidifying the air. So, the next time you catch yourself breathing through one nostril more than the other, remember it's a clever adaptation. We're taught about our five senses from a young age: sight, smell, taste, touch, and hearing. But what if I told you that humans have far more than five senses? Take proprioception, for example. This sense allows us to know where our limbs are in space without looking at them. Then there's thermoception, our sense of temperature. We can feel the warmth of the sun and the chill of a winter breeze thanks to specialized receptors. Equilibrioception, our sense of balance, helps us stay upright. Interoception encompasses internal sensations like hunger, thirst, and pain. Our perception of the world is far richer and more complex than we often realize. Every single one of us is a walking testament to the power of DNA, the blueprint of life. Our genes determine everything from the color of our eyes to our susceptibility to certain diseases. Within this sea of genetic information lie remarkable variations that make each of us unique. Take tetrachromacy, for instance. Some people possess a rare fourth cone in their eyes, allowing them to perceive up to 100 million colors. Then there's synesthesia, where stimulation of one sense triggers experiences in another. And let's not forget about heterochromia, resulting in differently colored eyes. These genetic variations are a testament to the incredible diversity of life on Earth. Even in our DNA, there's room for awe-inspiring surprises. Did you know that we actually emit light? We're talking about biophotons, ultra-weak emissions of light produced by all living organisms. These biophotons are a byproduct of the chemical reactions happening inside our cells. While they're far too faint to be seen with the naked eye, scientists can detect them using specialized equipment. And speaking of extraordinary feats, let's talk about sleep. Some individuals are genetically predisposed to thrive on far less sleep. These short sleepers can function perfectly well on just a few hours of shut-eye. It's all thanks to a genetic mutation that affects their circadian rhythms. The incredible diversity of the human experience is truly fascinating. As we wrap up this journey through the amazing features of our bodies, remember that we are truly a compilation of wonders. Thanks for joining us today. Be sure to like and subscribe to Eskimos for more intriguing insights into the wonders of science and the human body.